YouTube sensation Josh Brueckner got down on one knee and proposed to his girlfriend moments after winning his fight. Brueckner, who has over 1 million followers on YouTube, had just secured a win over Tyler Smith in the ring in his professional boxing debut. But he got the result he really wanted after the fight finished, as he got a yes from fellow fitness influencer Katie Betsing. Delighted, Katie claimed that she had no idea that the proposal was coming after she was invited into the ring. "I've always wanted to do this, come here baby," he said as he invited Katie into the ring. Josh said, "I don't want to spend another day without you," before getting down on one knee, forcing Katie to cover her mouth with her hands. The pair have been made famous from their YouTube channel JT Vlogs, which has a massive following with fans all over the world. Between them, they have over 800,000 followers on Instagram. Read more. KSI vs. Logan Paul. II. Josh was fighting as part of the undercard of the KSI and Logan Paul event at Staples Center in Los Angeles. He claimed victory over Smith with a unanimous points decision. Josh, 24, was impressive on his debut and outclassed Smith, who withstood the barrage of punches.